Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial guide. And today is Valentine and I'm greeting you all a happy Valentine right from Unique Studios. So anytime you're seeing this video, just know that I'm wishing you a happy Valentine for the year 2024. So to the business of today's video tutorial guide, I'll be showing you how you can create these amazing typography effects. So you can just call it a name. So it's called I call it a typography effect. So you can see the way I was able to just put a picture at the back and put something at the front over here, and the text is still showing the picture. Just amazing stuff. So I call it a typography effect. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can create this right on PixelLab. If you are new to the channel, if you are new, you know what to do when you get to a valuable channel. You like the channel, subscribe to their channel, and share the video if it's helpful to you. And again, just to inform you guys, today is also my birthday, and this was the this was a funny design I created for myself. So you can just wish me a happy birthday in the comment section, and let me feel it, let me feel the joy that this is indeed a community. So back to the business of today, we'll be creating this, and to create this, let's get right into our PixelLab. Let's get right into our PixelLab, and I have mine over here. So this will be our studio. This will be our cover for creating it. So now let's the first thing we need to do now to create that is to bring in the picture we want to use, or the model image. I'll prefer like you remove the background. So let me just go over to my model pictures and look for something amazing so we can use. Let me look for something. Okay, let's use this stuff that I use for the first one. So I have it over here. Let me just recrop this. Let me recrop this, and okay, I have this. So let me just increase the size to the minimum. So, and I have this also, and it's centralized. So let me copy and delete the previous one so I can retain the quality. And we have this back. Can you see the difference of what we did? Let me undo, and okay, can you it has like I wanted to show you the difference. Can you see the one like I brought in? Can you see that it's kind of blur, and it's kind of blur, and look at the one I copied, and can you see that is kind of sharp? And that is the reason why when we increase the size of an image or picture, we tend to delete the imported one and retain the copied one. So just to have the quality, so I'll delete this back, and I'll be working with. So when you have this over here, so bring in a shape, you can just put it from top to bottom, enable your grid, and you can just make it to the middle. You can just put it like this, to your taste. So this effect can be used maybe for birthday stuff. It's mostly used for birthday designs and raised stuff. So you can use it for birthday design and birthday stuff, and it's going to work amazing well. So you can let me leave it at this yellow color, and since I'll be working with this, so when you have this over here now, go over to your text, bring in a text, and just write whatever you want to write. So me, I'll be writing, or let me just write welcome to. So I just resize, and let me change the direction. So let's say the color so it will be visible. Let me leave it at black. So I go over to front, and select let me go with these papers that I have over here. Let me just increase this. Okay, I will increase and just increase and add this. So copy again. I'll just welcome to Unique Studios. If you've not subscribed up to this moment, you ought to have done so. But so just smash the subscribe button and like this video also. So I will increase the size. Of this. Increase the size and reduce the spacing in between. And okay, we have this, and just let me go over and just say subscribe. You can write whatever you want. You can write the name of the celebrant or whatever you want to make it to work with. So I'm just writing what I want to write here. So I'll write like below. So we have this over here. So let me reduce the size also. So I'll just make sure it aligns. With this grid. So you need to note this. So just follow this process, and we'll see where we get to now in the next few seconds. So I have this over here. So this is basically what I want to do for today. I'm not doing something extraordinary. So I just just play around. So when we have this over here, since we've been able to align and do things like this, so the next thing now we'll be doing now is to match the shapes and the text together minus the picture. So the shapes and the text, you match them together. When you match them together, you should have it like this. So you should have this like this. Let me see. Okay, you should have something like this. And when you have done matching, make sure you are done and you have read every text you want to write before you match. That's one of the precaution you need to take. So when you've matched this, go over to erase color at this stuff. Go over to erase color and pick the black color. Pick the text color, whatever. Pick the text color. And when you pick this text color, can you see what we have over here? Can you see what we have over here? So you can just know, okay, just add this. So just leave this at this, and we are good to go. Can you see now how we have been able to create this amazing typography effect? So I can change this color now to my desired color, change to black, change to whatever color that I deem it fits worthy to use. So this is basically how this is done, and we are done for today's video tutorial guide. If you got the value in this video, or like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching today's video.